Dear friend, if you are suffering from anxiety, stress, endless worries, and depression, you need to stop whatever you are doing right now and read this page. You are about to discover the ultimate solution to wash away anxiety and all negative thoughts, so you can be fearless, live life on your own terms, and become the best version of yourself. But first, have a look if you are experiencing any of these symptoms: excessive worrying, feeling agitated, restlessness, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, tense muscles, trouble sleeping, panic attacks, avoiding social situations. If you let anxiety and all the other symptoms mentioned above creep into your life, it will only snowball into bigger problems. More anxiety attacks, more stress, more things that you will fear and lose opportunities. All these negative feelings will only set you back, stops you from reaching your goal, and keep your potential hidden inside you. Anxiety is one of the hidden symptoms that can kill your career, your relationships, and your mental well-being. This is why you need to learn how to manage, overcome, and get rid of these negative feelings. The good news is, it's all going to change starting today. You are going to discover how to overcome anxiety so that you can be fearless and achieve anything you want in life. What you are about to discover are the strategies that I personally used and learned from only the best experts to banish worry and lead a stress-free life. These strategies are the reason why I am able to achieve the impossible by managing my anxiety, stress, and avoiding depression. With this formula, I can assure you that you too live a stress-free existence and unlock your true potential. Your frustration ends here. Introducing the Anti-Anxiety Formula: How to Banish Worry and Live a Panic-Free Life. The Anti-Anxiety Formula is perfect for those who want to overcome anxiety for good, so that they could live a stress-free life. Anxiety is the main obstacle that stops someone from reaching their full potential. Anxiety is a common obstacle that stops us from achieving success in personal and professional lives. And most people have no idea how to overcome it. This is what this transformational blueprint is here to offer: solutions. You will discover everything you need to know about overcoming anxiety, fears, and depression. Proven and powerful strategies to overcome your stuck points, how to face your inner demons, the simple step-by-step action plan for overcoming resistance to change, how to silence your fear, and much more, waiting to be uncovered inside this blueprint. If you want to overcome your anxiety once and for all, then this is the ultimate success blueprint you have been looking for. Here are the things you will discover in this transformational program. Proven clinical therapy technique to address what triggers your anxieties, revealed in Chapter 1. 5 simple and easy steps to break through any obstacles in life. A simple and effective journaling technique to overcome anxiety. How to get rid of your biggest fears and become unstoppable. How to rewrite your life script and turn it into reality. How to identify the belief systems that stops you from taking action. 11 common bodily symptoms and signs of anxiety you need to know. Are you affected by these distorted thoughts that paralyze you? Why avoiding your fears will only make it worse? Do this instead, revealed in Chapter 5. 9 practical steps to act on your fears and becoming the best version of yourself. How to erase past pain from your memory and let go of them forever. How to block your mind from negative obsessions that cause deep anxious feelings. How perfectionism and borrowed expectations can cause burnout and trigger anxiety. Are you rewarding yourself enough? And top reasons why you need to do so today. Quick fixes to rise back up from setbacks by using these super effective tips. And so much more waiting to be uncovered inside. This is the golden key for those who want to overcome anxiety and depression. Get rid of all fears that are holding them back. Silence the inner critics that are slowing them down. Lead a happier, fulfilled, and extraordinary life. Reinvent their life story leading towards success. Be highly motivated to live with purpose every single day, no matter what. Be fearless and unstoppable. Achieve all the goals they set in life. Here's the good news. You get the anti-anxiety formula at a low one-time investment. Just know that this ultimate blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now. But I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part? You will transform your life to the next level with all the proven strategies revealed in this guide. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, that's not all. If you get the anti-anxiety formula right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits, the anti-anxiety formula. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you are going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through the anti-anxiety formula by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. At this point, if you choose to do nothing, your life will remain the same as where you are right now. You will still be affected by anxiety, worry, stress, and depression, which will block your progress to upgrade your life to the next level. Instead of doing nothing, why not take advantage of our offer? I have explained to you how the anti-anxiety formula can help you to create your own success story, level up your life, and achieve your goals, all by banishing away all worries. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by this offer. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.